shooting by yourself, you can time yourself. But
since
speed
shooting. All right.
We're gonna time it, but more importantly, boom. Well, we're gonna have to look at that footage. Upon further inspection, I completely forgot to shot the 100-yard target. So even though I made it to the
smoked you, Michael.
Chuck clearly won that duel.
Woo.
Did you finish?
Well, he's just waiting for you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got stuck at 110, 120.
Chuck's a speed demon today.
Great job, Chuck. Oh, 18.8 seconds.
Woo.
All right, well,
Nice going, Chuck.
I got schooled. By old school. In the duel, schooled by old school. In the duel and in individual timing. So do a screenshot of that and send that to me. That's my best. 18.79. That was super fun.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Tomcat Airguns. So, I was just watching that Airgun Nation Target Challenge for August, and it's a speed shooting. I'm in. Let's do this thing. I got the Daystate Huntsman Revere, which I just got, and I've only actually been shooting this a couple days, but I want to do the speed shooting challenge with the Huntsman Revere and see how it goes. See how this gun can handle the speed shooting, which I'm a little rough on the guns during speed shooting. So I'm going to set some cans up, 25, 35, 45, 55, and I guess 65. And why those yardages? Speed silhouette. That's why. So, see you guys in just a second. Let me get things set up. All right. Let's get ourselves situated. Timer's on right here. Let's see how we do. Yeah! Minus the celebration. It was 10 and 32, but I'll take an 11. There's my entry. Good luck, guys. So, upon further review of my video, I realized my 25-yard camera was a really old iPod that I had a bunch of music on. It had no storage space in it, so it just quit recording. It was sitting right there on that stick. I hot glued it to that. But there's 25 yards right by my chickens. Oh yeah, and I've had this issue with a bear coming around lately. I'm sure that soda's going to draw them in.